Hi guys, Judy here, and today we are combining our Monday must-haves with our Tasty Tuesday to bring you the Fudge Factory's top 5 summer treats. So we have Joanne here. She works at the Fudge Factory. She's going to help us out with our top 5 popular items. I'm going to be the tester today. I'm tired of being jealous of everyone else taste testing this entire summer, so it's my turn today, and I chose the Fudge Factory to do my testing. So take it away, Joanne.
Hi, I'm Joanne, and one of our top 5 items is our bulk candy containers. It comes in several sizes, small, medium, and large, and you can put whatever you like into it.
So what kind of candies do we actually have on the candy wall?
We have a lot of gummies, a lot of hard candies, a lot of like candy blocks is popular. We have Hershey Kisses, we have frogs, snakes.
So we pretty much have everything that anyone could possibly want or crave. Okay, so I'm really excited to try some. I see some of these like...
That is a gummy bubble gum. A gummy bubble gum.
A gummy bubble gum.
Is that sour?
It's a little sour, but it's super sweet. Really delicious. I love candy. I love gummies. Okay, so those gummies are awesome. What do we have next on our popular list?
We have our dip treat. 3 buy get the 4th one free, and they're excellent. Would you like to try?
I would love to try this.
This is a cookie.
Ooh, okay, so
this is a cookie.
Cookie? Okay, so...
And it's dipped in chocolate.
Dipped in chocolate. Okay, so this is the chocolate dip cookie, guys. It looks like it's drizzled with white chocolate. I'm going to take a nice big bite.
Okay. And how is it? Moist in the middle, dipped in chocolate makes it even better.
You're absolutely right. It's super moist. There's chocolate chips on the inside, and the chocolate around it is like super sweet and creamy and delicious. And is that toffee?
Yes, it is. It's salted caramel.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's actually like salted caramel right there on the bottom of the cookie, which is actually, it kind of tastes like toffee a bit. It gives it like that extra crunch, and it's super delicious. I'm gonna take one more bite, and then I will... It's just so good. Okay, so what do we have next?
Actually, we have a licorice, not a pretzel. And it's the same as everything else. We dip in chocolate and put a topping on it. And this one has M&Ms. So we have 6 different toppings for our dip treats. And they're all the buy 3, get 1 free.
All right.
I love those. I love the licorice, dip licorice.
It's actually really unique. I've never had anything licorice dipped in chocolate before, especially with M&Ms, but I actually think the M&Ms really make it because they are very distinct, different flavors. I'll give you a closer look. But with the M&Ms, it just makes it that much more crunchy. It's crunchy, gooey, and chocolatey. I don't really know what else could be better. Well, thank you for letting me try these.
Oh, no problem.
So coming in at number 3, what do we have?
We have our candy apples and our caramel apples. We have 3 different varieties, dipped in chocolate, plain, with peanuts, with sprinkles. So would you like to try one?
I thought you'd never ask.
This is our caramel dipped in chocolate.
I can help you. So you said this is caramel dipped in chocolate?
Yep.
Okay.
A little sticky.
A little sticky because it's real caramel.
Yes, it is real caramel, and it's all in our kitchen.
So these are dipped and prepped in the Fudge Factory?
Yes.
So that means they're super fresh.
Yes, they are every day.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to give a really good bite. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I will try.
twirl it around. There you go.
Trying really hard for you. It's very hard work. Okay, so this is delicious. You can definitely tell it's fresh. Alright, so we're nearing the end of our list. What is number 2?
Number 2 is our macarons, and they're very popular. They come in a variety of color and flavors. Just an example, birthday cake, toasted coconut, lemon, fuzzy peach.
So which ones are these flavors?
The purple one is birthday cake, the blue one is toasted coconut, the yellow is lemon, and the other one is fuzzy peach.
Very exciting.
They are made with egg whites and they have cream in the middle. It's a very light cookie. And you can buy 1 for $2.79 or 4 for $10.
Awesome. So am I allowed to try these too?
You may try whatever you like.
Okay.
Fuzzy peach it is?
Fuzzy peach it is.
Okay.
Alright, so maybe I'll just show the camera first so you guys can get a good look. See that? It's like, they're actually really pretty. They have that cream filling on the,
Somebody stole it.
I guess Koo will be trying fuzzy peach. So what do you think, Koo?
Amazing.
It's amazing.
Did you want to try one?
I would absolutely like to try one. Okay, how about, you said that one's birthday cake?
Birthday cake, yes.
Okay. I like this one because it has all the drizzles on it. So macarons are actually my favorite cookie. So I'm really excited to eat this one. Alright, so not to say I'm a macaron connoisseur or anything, but I do love them and I eat them often. This is probably one of the best ones I've ever had.
Yeah.
And I'm not just saying that because they're really soft.
Yes, they are.
And they're flaky, and the center is still gooey. Like, that's amazing. Like, take a look at that gooey center. So, Joanne, what is our number 1 item of the summer at the Fudge Factory?
Our number 1 item is our fudge, which is made daily. This is a sample of our Decadent chocolate. It's made in the kitchen. We do have a special for them. You buy 3 slices, get a 4th one for free. We have 18 different varieties, and when you come in, you're more than welcome to have a sample to see if you like it.
So you're telling me that if somebody's walking down Clifton Hill and they would like a sample of fudge, they can just walk in and ask for a free sample?
Yes, they can.
Just letting you know, guys, you're welcome.
And you would like to try it, I assume?
I would like my free sample, please.
There you go.
So this is Decadent chocolate.
This is Decadent chocolate. It's our regular chocolate. It's one of our top sellers.
It's very rich, very fresh. Everything here is so fresh tasting. I feel like I understand why this is a top seller, because it really is. It's not too chocolatey. It's like just the right amount of chocolate.
Like, everybody loves chocolate. Everybody.
So I believe there's another item that you wanted to show us because it's very popular as well.
Yes. This is our Saltwater taffy. It's 2 for $10. It comes in a variety of flavors, assorted, tropical, and we do have containers of individual flavors if you don't want assorted.
Awesome. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in with us. We want to say thank you to Joanne for taking the time and helping me taste all these delicious treats. I thoroughly enjoyed them. You guys are so awesome here, and we just always want to say thank you. So I'm Judy for CliftonHill.com. Make sure you head down to the Fudge Factory.